This video by Three Blind Mice Window Coverings is going to address SDN, the Somfy Digital Network. As you look, I have a room full of about 8 or 10 shades here, and the Somfy Digital Network is different than the rest of the standardized motorization systems. If you come here to the automation closet, it starts with this, a simple powered tap. As you can see, it's a Cat 5 system. This particular system we have tied into a Lutron graphic eye, so we are very easily able to tie into Lutron through the dry contacts on each individual switch for each room. So what we call this is the bus line. So we have a powered bus line that runs throughout the room. As you can see, we go through the room here. We have all of our shades wired. The wall switch over here, which is next to a Lutron graphic eye, as you can see, this is a Cat 5T to the main bus line that you just saw. This switch is programmed to work with each motor it is addressed to. Each motor has its own IP address, so we're able to do different programming based on how we set the programming. If you take a look up higher, we've got all of our shades wired into a J box up top, okay, and they're powered that way. And this is one of the unique installs because they wanted to have all this exposed. It's kind of a unique installation. As you see up top here, try to zoom in, that is the first tap. So from the power is our first tap. This is what communicates to the motor to tell it to go up or down. Okay, so as you do that, you take a look at the rest of the system here, and now we're going to talk about how it operates. So we go back over to the wall switch, and very simple press of the up button, very responsive, and as you can see, all the shades in this room are working flawlessly. Very simple to set limits on these shades, very simple to communicate to these shades, and a very slick system through Somfy Digital Network and Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. So as you see the rest of the shades going up, very clean, consistent look, and now you have all the shades up in this room. Go back, push the wall switch down, and there you have it. All the shades in the room are going down. And it creates a nice setting. We have a 1% material on here, so it creates a nice setting where the clients can still see outside, but yet it darkens the room up enough in order to see a good presentation. So there you have it, motorization through Three Blind Mice and Somfy Digital Network.